Hello again, and today I'm going to have a quick video for you, just something really random I wanted to try. I've seen some other people do it this way and with some other drink variations, but we've got some Guinness. Even though it says it on that side, I think it looks cooler that side without the writing on, but that's just me. But today we're going to be mixing Guinness, and if you've seen the title of the video, which you probably have, we've got some Scott meets Irish, Skyrish. This is Irn Bru and Guinness. Let's see if it tastes any good. Now, if you saw the 0% Guinness and Guinness blind taste test that my wife did, I tried it as well, and we both kind of thought it was really odd that no one seemed to mention this, and it might be because we didn't have it chilled, which you'll go, oh, you've got to have Guinness chilled, which I know you have, but it tasted, Sam Smith's brewery glass, Samuel Smith's, it tasted like seawater. It had like saltiness to it, and I just couldn't. It made me wretched. It really tasted like seawater, but that was another video, and that's what we did. But I want to see what it's going to do to the colours. I've seen other drinks it's been mixed with as well, but today I just thought I'd try this for a quick thing. Hopefully this doesn't go everywhere. Now, I like Guinness, do not get me wrong on that. Let's pour it out. See what happens to that. There we go. It's got the Irn Bru at the bottom still. And what I like about this actually is it's almost like oil and water. The Irn Bru isn't 100% mixing in with it. But we'll let that stand and see what happens. This is what I'm going to be drinking later on. Treat myself. It's Friday when I film this, so I've got a 4-pack of Elvis juice there. But we've reviewed that before. This, hopefully, is going to be a nice treat. It's not looking exactly how I've seen it before. I've seen it before. It's like Irn Bru, and I might put a bit more Irn Bru in that, actually. I don't really feel that. I didn't want it to overfill when it decided to get the head on it a bit, so maybe it'll go like Neapolitan effect, have some orange near the top. That tastes like a cross between General Beer and the Irn Bru bars you used to be able to get. The Irn Bru bar says somewhere, but so it doesn't look as nice as it does in other people's videos where they've got like a half a glass of orange and then half. But I'll say this about Guinness. I like Guinness, it's solid, you can't beat it. For stout, you cannot beat it. I'm sorry, there are other stouts out there that are good, but for stout, you can't beat it. But I will say, Guinness is a great mixing drink, and that does taste really nice. There's other things that I'll probably go into eventually, like Black Velvet, which is Guinness and champagne. And some people call, when you mix it with cider, Black Velvet, but I'm sure that isn't the official name for it. But obviously, if I put more Irn Bru in, I would have more of an orange. The Irn Bru kind of stays at the bottom there. And do you know what? That tastes nice. It's kind of got an orange tint to it. It's a bit more transparent than Guinness on its own. My beard there. But that is really nice. That goes down the treat. Yay. Or nay, this is a yay. Just a quick review, I wanted to try it myself for taste. I wanted to see how it looks in the glass, because I've seen other people do it, and as I say, it's almost like a lava lamp, and the orange is up to here, and then the Guinness at the top, but I should have put more Irn Bru in. It doesn't look nice to look at the head, because there's a lot of orange in there. It's almost like someone's put ketchup or baked beans in there, and that's a bit off-putting, but apart from that, and the head doesn't seem to be going down that much, but then with Guinness it never does. That is a solid try. If you've got some Guinness about, or if you want to go and get some Irn Bru, that is nice. It doesn't, boxes falling down there, doesn't taste alcoholic, which is always a plus, isn't it? But that is brilliant. There's not much more I can say. Try that. Guinness, Irn Bru, you're in for a treat. I will see you in the review, because for now, I am gone. Cheers, everyone.